Okay, so let's get right into it. Google's NotebookLM just got a serious upgrade, and believe me, it's becoming so much more than just a place to stash your notes. We're talking about a fundamental shift from a tool that kinda just summarizes what you give it to a true partner that can research, analyze, and even create for you.
Just think about this for a second. You've got all your project files, your articles, all that raw data sitting in one spot. But instead of you having to spend hours connecting all the dots, what if your notebook just started doing the heavy lifting? Well, that's the big idea, right? That's the core question this new version of NotebookLM is built to answer.
To really get where NotebookLM is going, we've got to look at where it came from. The best way to think about its first version is like having your own private, personal AI expert, a librarian who's only ever read the books that you've given them. And that's it.
And this, right here, is the secret sauce. This is what makes it so powerful. NotebookLM is grounded entirely in your sources. It's not just scraping the whole messy, sometimes wrong public internet. No, it's an AI research assistant that lives inside your world, trained only on your material. This means the answers it gives you are actually relevant, and critically, it can tell you exactly where it got them from, with citations.
All right, but now Google is taking a massive leap forward. And this is where your relationship with your notes is about to fundamentally change. NotebookLM is going from being this passive assistant that you have to ask questions to into a proactive research engine that actually goes out and discovers new things for you.
So let's break this down. The key difference is between fast research and the brand new deep research mode. Fast research? Yeah, that's what we're kind of used to. It'll scan the stuff you've already uploaded. But deep research, whoa, that is a total game changer. It starts with your sources, but then it goes out and explores the web to bring you back a rich, layered report. You know that horrible feeling of staring at a blank page? This is designed to crush that. It's not just summarizing anymore, it's synthesizing. That's a big difference.
So how does this magic actually work? Well, what's so cool is that when you give it a prompt, it doesn't just start searching. First, it actually builds a research plan. It thinks about it. Then it goes out and browses maybe hundreds of sources, getting smarter as it goes. And finally, it pulls everything together into one beautifully organized report. And here's the best part. That report isn't the finish line. Nope, it's your new starting block. You can drop it right into your notebook and keep building. And of course, to feed this new research beast, you're going to need to give it more types of food, right? So NotebookLM can now digest way more stuff. We're talking structured data from Google Sheets, links from your Drive, and get this, it can even read images of your handwritten notes. I mean, come on, that is pretty wild. It's really turning into an all-in-one workstation. Okay, so you've got all this incredible synthesized research. Now what? What do you actually do with it? Well, this is where the workflow evolves again. This is where we close the loop, going from just raw insight to actively creating something polished and shareable right from that research. I love this quote because it just perfectly nails the new dynamic. Think of it this way. NotebookLM is the memory. It's your trusted, curated library of facts. But then, with this new integration, Gemini becomes the mind. It's the reasoning engine that can take all that memory and actually turn it into something brand new. Let's be real for a second. This is what the start of pretty much any project looks like, isn't it? It's just a mess. A beautiful, chaotic mess of ideas, data points, and random thoughts. The big challenge has always been, how do you get from this to a clean, final product? And check this out. This is a fantastic example of what I'm talking about. NotebookLM can take all those messy notes about your competitors and, boom, automatically structure them into a clean, organized data table. This is a whole new thing they're calling an artifact. It's not just spitting text back at you. It's creating structured data. It's like having a spreadsheet that fills itself in. And it's not just tables, which is already cool enough. No, now you can take that deep research report and, with just a couple of clicks, turn it into a full-on presentation deck. We're talking slides, visuals, even styled with your company's branding. And that's it. That is the full circle, from a messy idea all the way to a finished creation. Okay, so we've been talking a lot about research and creating stuff for work, but this technology is so much bigger than that. It's also transforming into an absolutely incredible tool for learning, a personal tutor that's built just for you. Here's a perfect, practical example. Let's say you're planning a trip to Iceland. You could just dump a bunch of travel guides into NotebookLM, and it can instantly turn them into an interactive study guide. It can generate flashcards on the key facts, like this super important driving rule.
So you're not just passively reading, you're actively learning and remembering the stuff that actually matters.
And look, this isn't just a gimmick or something that feels neat. There is actual data to back this up. Google ran an experiment with this kind of tech, and folks who used it retained information way better. We're talking 78% retention compared to just 67% for people using a normal digital reader. The takeaway? This personalized learning stuff, it flat out works.
So all of this brings us to one big, fascinating question, doesn't it? When our tools stop being just, well, tools, and they become partners that can research, learn, and create with us, how does our role begin to change? We're not just the ones doing the manual research anymore. We become the directors, the strategists, the curators of ideas. It's a huge shift in how we work with information, and honestly, it's happening right now.